Hey, everyone. Today, I'll be showing you a simple and straightforward method on how to allow extensions in incognito mode on your Google Chrome web browser. So, if you've ever wondered how to do this, stick around, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. Without wasting any more time, let's dive right into it. I opened Incognito tab in second desktop. As you can see, no extension is enabled in Incognito tab. To enable it, follow this tutorial. Alright, the first thing you want to do is open up your Google Chrome web browser. Once you're in, look up at the top right corner and find the three-dotted icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a menu. Then, locate and hover on Extensions in the menu. You can see Manage Extension option. Click on it. Then it will take you to the list of your installed extensions. Now, find the extension you want to allow in incognito mode. Once you've located it, click on the details. This will open up a detailed view of the extension. Scroll down until you find the option that says Allow in Incognito. To enable it, simply toggle the switch to the on position. You can do this by clicking inside the gray oval, turning it into a blue oval. Now, let's go to Incognito tab. As you can see, extension is enabled in Incognito tab. That's it. Your extension is now allowed in incognito mode. If, for some reason, you want to disable it in the future, just revisit the same settings window, and toggle the switch back to the off position. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, do subscribe and give thumbs up, and I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.